set Google Assistant routines in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find Google, and then tap Google Services. Scroll down screen, tap settings for Google Apps, and then tap search assistant and voice. Select Google Assistant, and then scroll down screen, tap routines, and then tap plus icon or new button, and then you can tap add started to add Google Assistant routine. Just a voice command or a time. Tap add started, and then select option you want, voice command, time or sunrise or sunset. When non-voice starter available per routine. Okay, for example time, and then on select tab, select time you want, for example in and then tap set a finish. On repeats every, you can select repeat, and then you can also set notify it on your phone when this routine is start. Tap switch until blue, and then tap add starter if you finish. Add voice started is required to save. Okay, for example and then tap add started, and then select tap add action to add your action, for example get info and reminder, or other option, for example is get info and reminders, and then select option you want, for example tell me about Twitter or other option, and then tap done. Tap save to save routine. Please wait until process complete, and then your routines was saved. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.